Look at what an awesome difference we've made in this 2015 to 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. We just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. And this is Android Auto running on that factory screen. This system makes your Crosstrek feel like a brand new car. We've precision tuned it to work with your factory microphone, so the Google Voice Assistant will have no trouble hearing you and phone calls sound great. How's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Right now in Raleigh, it's 80 degrees and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be sunny, with a forecasted high of 80 and a low of 58.
With Android Auto, navigation is much safer. Whether you use Google Maps, Waze, or any other app, it's so much nicer than the factory system. Get directions to Crabtree Valley Mall.
Crabtree is 11 minutes from your location by car in light traffic.
You can see how nice that looks. Of course, we have Waze also. And the Google Voice Assistant will read your directions.
We're all set. Let's go.
Any app with an Android Auto component will automatically show up here in Android Auto. Your steering wheel controls will continue to work, and shifting to reverse will bring up your factory backup camera, and back to park or drive will bring you right back into Android Auto. I'm now going to show you how to pair and set up Android Auto. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds will switch from that original screen to the new Hamilton underlying interface. Now pull out your Android phone. We'll open up Bluetooth on the device. This is the network you're looking for. On your phone, go to Connections, click Bluetooth, and scroll all the way down until you see that new device. Click on it. When a pairing code pops up, click Pair. Click Allow to share contacts and favorites if it asks. And just like that, Android Auto will begin opening. Give it just a little bit of time the first time you do it. We're not done quite yet. It's very important that you set your factory system to aux mode. Come home, Audio, and make sure it's set to aux mode. I would also encourage you to go to Settings, Bluetooth, and delete your original Bluetooth network, and as well forget it on your iPhone. That will make sure the factory Subaru Bluetooth is not trying to grab your phone. You want your phone paired only to the Hamilton Bluetooth. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds allows you to access your underlying factory system, where you won't lose any factory features. You can see AM, FM, and XM radio are all still available. For the Hamilton system, you're going to want it in aux mode. This system is going to make your Crosstrek feel like a brand new vehicle. We've precision engineered it to go the distance. We use a premium ARM Cortex style processor and top of the line components throughout our system. That's how we can afford to back it with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. We also have concierge-style tech support available to serve you at 919-858-2890. We can support every model of Subaru that has this touch key style radio. If you have any questions, check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com, or give us a call. I'm Dave, and I'll see you in the next video.